Hello friends, good morning all of us. So today we will discussing about the reproductive system. What are the reproductive systems? There are two reproductive systems. It is also called as genital systems. So male reproductive system, female reproductive systems. So these two types of systems. You have this. So today we are discussing about the male reproductive system. What are the parts are there? What are their functions? Which is organ is present? Which organ is present? What are their functions physiologically, anatomically? Okay. So reproduction is a process by which living organism produce new generation of individuals similar to themselves. Reproduction is one of the fundamental characteristics of living organism. It is an essential life process which help in continuity of the species. So reproduction of two types, asexual and sexual. So in mammals, it is a sexual reproduction which involves males and females animals of same species as parents. So this is the reproductive system. Just introduction. So look at this. This is the picture, reproductive system of male. Okay, so this is the male reproductive system. So male reproductive system of bull or cattle, it consists of a pair of testes in the scrotum, epididymis, vas deferens, penis, accessory sex gland, seminal vesicles, prostates, bulbourethral glands. So these are the list or organs present into the male reproductive systems. One by one we are discussing about this. So look at these pictures. So diagrammatically, testes, what you can see, diagrammatically you can see these pictures. Okay, so first part is testes. First organ is testes. Testes are suspended in the scrotum by spermatic cord. So scrotum, it is a pouch. It is including into the test, or it included spermatic cords. This is the specifically cord-like structure present into the scrotum. So they are two in numbers, oval in shape. The average weight of adult testes is 300 to 300 to 500 grams. Each testis consists of mass of seminiferous tubules. This is the structure of the testis. Internally, externally, you cut it, you can see microscopically seminiferous tubule is there. Seminiferous tubules is made up of two types of cells, germ cells and Sertoli cells. So these cells is most important for the testis. Testes are the primary sex organ in male. So this is the, remember that is the primary sex organ of the testes. So what are the functions? Function, they produce sperm, male gametes and gametes and male sex hormones, androgen, which promotes development of secondary sexual characteristics in the males. So next is a scrotum. It is a cutaneous pouch, which is testicles are located. The scrotal skin is thin, pliable and relatively hairless. It is divided into two chambers by central membranes. It's called as scrotal septa. So this is the structure present in the scrotum. What are the functions of the scrotum? It holds the testes and located external to the body. Scrotum regulate the temperature of testes by contraction, relaxation and throwing sweating. So scrotum, it is most important thermoregulation act, temperature maintain karte. Temperature of testes is less by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius than the body temperatures. So this is the scrotum. Next is epididymis. So this is the organs of this male reproductive system of bull. So it is coiled tube originating at dorsal part of the testis. It is approximately 30 to 35 meter long. It consists of head. It consists of three parts: caput, it is a body, corpus, and tails, coda. So these three parts is consist of epididymis. What are the functions of this epididymis? It helps in migration of spermatozoa from testis to vas deferens. So it concentrate diluted sperms suspension. Sperm is the male gametes present into the male bulls. So it helps in maturation of sperms. The tail chorda epididymis is storehouse of sperms. Okay, so the epididymis is the tail epididymis is a storehouse of sperm. Next, vas deferens. So these are the two slender tube extending from tail of epididymis to urethra. Spermatic arteries, veins, nerves, muscles, and vas deferens form spermatic cords. So these are the vas deferens. It is including for this nerves, arteries are the spermatic cords. Each vas deferens goes through the inguinal rings opened into the urethra, and the terminal portion of the both tubes little dilated and called as the ampulla. The vas deferens function is most important, transport of sperm from epididymis to the urethra. Urethra is the urinal ज्या ठिकाणी urination होते हैं, this is the urethra. So एक tube like structure है, and transportation of sperm of epididymis to the urethra. This is the function of vas deferens. Okay, so urethra it extends from neck of the bladder to the tip of the glans penis. म्हणजे ब्लॅडर पासून ते ग्लान्स पेनिस पर्यंत इट इज एक्सटेंडेड नेक इट इज कॉल्ड एज urethra, a tube like structure, and it has three distinct parts. Is pelvic parts, it is bulb of urethra, and penile parts. Pelvic means the posterior चा पाठीमागचा भाग, and penile म्हणजे लास्टचा पार्ट. So these two parts consist. What are the functions of urethra? So it is a common passage for urine and semen. Semen means there is a liquid or fluid at the time of ejaculation to produce male bulls. It's called as a semen. It is a seminal fluids like that. So next is a penis. It is a cylindrical in shape. It is about 3 feet long and 1 inch diameter in adult bull. So it consists of three parts: root, body, and glans. So the free portion of penis is in non-erectile state, remains covered by the cutaneous pouch known as prepuce. Prepuce means there is a pouch at the time of non-erectiles. It is non-erectile time it is prepuce. Functions of these organs: it is an organ of copulation in male. At the time of female and male, so this is the copulation organs of the male. So penis. Next is accessory sex glands. So first is the seminal vesicles. These are two lobulated elongated glands situated in pelvic cavity. Just pelvic cavity means there is abdominal cavity, thoracic cavity. In animal or human body, it consists of three major cavities. One is the thoracic cavity, abdominal cavity, and pelvic cavity. Cavity means there is a space. So this pelvic cavity, it consists of a number of genital organs, urinary systems organs are present in this pelvic cavity. Abdominal cavity is only digestive organs, and thoracic cavity is present only for the respiratory organs. So situated in the pelvic cavity, they are located on either side of ampulla above the neck of the urinary bladder. They secrete seminal fluid which is rich in the fructose and citric acids. So this is the first seminal vesicle glands, accessory sex glands. So next, prostate glands. It is unpaired glands situated at the junction of the bladder and urethra. It is composed by body and glandular parts. Its secretions are drained by approximately 30 ducts into the urethra. Its secretion is high in proteins, enzymes, and minerals. So third one is bulbourethral glands, or it is also called as Cowper's glands. So these are two in number, small, round, compact glands. These are situated above the urethra near the ischial arch. Secretion of the Cowper's glands clean the urethra from the harmful effect of the urine. At the time of urination, so this gland is cleanness of the urethra. So it is most important accessory sex glands. Okay, so look at these pictures. So reproductive system of bulls. So you can see these the pictures. This is the penis. This is the vas deferens. This is the testicles. This is the scrotum. Then scrotum. Then epididymis. It consists of head, body. Then this is the seminal vesicles. Then this is the prostate glands, and this is the Cowper's glands. So this picture you can see just introduction. So this is the most important topics. What are the male reproductive organs present into the bulls or cow, cattle, buffalo, sheep, goats? Same as compared to the, but depending upon the size of the animals, the organs should be size difference. So it is most important organs, your topics. Okay, so thank you for this video. You can watch this video repeat and repeats. So what doubts and about some different words, you can ask me or text message. Thank you for this watching video.